before sharing my presentation, I would like to ask a question to you all. So, have you used any digital tools in your classroom for teaching the children? For example, like Kahoot. So, there are different tools. I just want to know if you have used the tools and what are the tools? What are the tools that you are using or you have used in your class to teach the children to make the class interactive or interesting? You can share your answer in your chat box so that I can see and read it. Quizzy, yes, word wall. Yes, Quizzy is a good one for making a quiz for the kids. Yes, thank you, Monisha ma'am and Sujata ma'am. Any other answers? The tools that you are using for teaching. Canva, yes, Canva nowadays we have Canva for almost everything. All the things are done in Canva, and even AI is incorporated in Canva. And children usually, when I'm an ICT teacher here in Erode International, when they come to class, they always ask to work in Canva. Yes, that's a greatly used tool here. You can read it. Now we'll start with our presentation. So in our presentation, I'm going to share my entire screen because I'm going to switch over to different tool homeworks and also the work of the students. So I'm going to share. Basically, we are going to see three tools for teachers for teaching the children. These are interactive tools. I'll share it and you can try try exploring these tools after this session because this session is short for 30 or 40 minutes. You can explore it later. Yes. So our topic for this session is ICT tools for the classroom, especially for the teachers to make the learning and teaching very interactive and interesting. The first tool which I'm before that, the session objectives. Why are we having this session? It is to identify the ICT tools suitable for teaching in primary classrooms, understand the purpose and benefits, improve classroom management and student collaboration, and develop confidence and competence in using classroom technology. These are the tools. Basically, I think these tools would be new for you. I hope you will have some learning in this. The first tool which we are going to see is Powtoon. Powtoon is basically used to create a video. This video can be an animated video or it can also be used to do a presentation, animated presentation. Like a teacher or a boy is doing some action in your presentation. When especially this is suitable for the primary children who love to see those cartoon characters moving. I think everyone will agree with it. When we just give a simple presentation with just the pictures, it will be okay. They will listen. But if we have some animations or cartoons, they will really love it and they will find it interesting and it will be impressive for them and they will automatically start listening to us. So, the basic uses, I have just mapped it with the teaching. You can use this tool wherever it is suitable for you and your class, your level, grade level. The uses are create story-based instruction for lessons, explain science or social concept with animation. Students create simple character stories, presentation based on survey or statistics. A simple example for a grade 1 children which we can do is a water cycle. In grade 1 they study about water cycle, grade 1 or 2. So you can make a water cycle story with the characters. The characters can be moving or you can extend however you want. The pictures can be taken from the internet, it can be uploaded, or else you can use the existing pictures. All those features are available here in Powtoon. I'll just show the home page of Powtoon. It's loading. Let's wait. So I think the screen is visible now. Let it load for some time. Yes, this is the Powtoon homepage. So if you see here, there are many options. As soon as we just look into it, we have animated explainer, video explainer, whiteboard, marketing video for education, and I scroll social media. Many things are there, especially for making a video. Many templates are available. And if I scroll down, as now AI is taking a major blow in every software, in every tool, we have this AI incorporated techniques here. When we give AI just a document, this tool can convert it into a video. And also there are so many characters. We can build our own characters. That is, we can have either a boy with this hairstyle, dress, everything. We can design a character using this Powtoon. We can have AI script writer. It is usually present in many Canva and other tools also. Here also we have AI script writer, AI text to video. Again, this AI doc and AI text to video, it is similar. It makes the text into a video format. Now, here we have this create button. If we click on this create button, we have some of the options. I usually go for the start from scratch. If I go for browse all templates, most of it have this pro version. Pro version, I think many of us don't have the access. So I usually go for the start from scratch. This is a free version. I'm telling you the features now, which are all free and which everyone can use. So when I go for this start from scratch, a new video, you will get these options. So how do you want your screen? Either a landscape mode or a portrait mode or a square mode. So when I click on it, you will get the screen loading, a studio to make your video, and you will get the pop-up. Yes. Now this is your blank template. Now, if you, I think the screen is visible now for everyone. I have a blank template here, and if you see on the right hand side, it is almost similar to Canva. It is very user friendly. We have scenes, background, text, characters, avatars, props, shapes, images, and so many things here. So you can just whenever you have time, you can go and explore all this. I'm not doing a video right now. I'll show you the example of a already done video. So these are the options available. Pick a color, upload. You can upload a image or a video, and also there is a feature to generate an image using AI and also generate a video using AI. And one more important special feature in this is you can either have your background as a picture, or you can insert a video and have that video as your background in this clipping that you are going to create. So I'll close this home page. I'll show you the work, example work, which you can do using the Powtoon. I have two samples for you. First sample, I'll just load it. It's loading. So this is the sample. In this sample, I made just a clipping, a video clipping. In the background, I have inserted a video as a background. And this boy, he is just an animated character. The character is already available in your Powtoon. I've just inserted him. And also, if I play the video, you can see. You can even insert your voice. You can type or record your voice and upload it. So there is a background where the video is moving. Yes, and also the voice is heard. We can do in this way also. And also, if you see this video clipping, it is for 16 seconds. The next one, I'm going to show you a short story. Powtoon sample 2. This is a short story which you can see. It does not have a voice. It just have the pictures and the text. I'll just play it now. This is the lion and the mouse story. So I have like a picture sequencing. I have picture and the text. Picture and the text. This is a bit. And also, if you see in this corner, one thing you will always have this Powtoon watermark in your free version. That is a limitation in the Powtoon. And also, this video can be played online. You can export the video online. The link can be shared, but this cannot be downloaded. You can do it online. That is the limitation. And also regarding the space, the storage limit of Powtoon is just 100 MB. So if you want to make a story sequencing, picture sequencing or anything, you can do it and show it in your class so that the children will love to see those moving characters and the sequencing. And also the video short clippings can be done as I already told you. Now, Powtoon, I think we have just seen the basic things. We are going to move to the next tool, which is Tinkercan. This Tinkercad, I personally really love this Tinkercad because CAD, the CAD means computer aided designing. This computer aided designing is used everywhere in designing, whether it is a car or any mechanical vehicle stuff, or whether it is a building, or coming to the simulation of circuits, electronic circuits, everywhere this computer aided designing is playing a major role. Nowadays, it is almost occupying the entire industry. Yes, now this Tinkercad, this would be suitable for the children or the beginners who are starting with this computer aided designing. And also, this can be used to build simple 3D models. You can create houses, bridges, robots, introduce 3D painting. Yes, if you design something using this and if you want to do 3D painting with this model, it can be done. For that, you have to save it in specific formats, STL and OBJ formats. If you do that and go to the printer, 3D printer, that software will accept these STL and OBJ and you can do a 3D printing also. Here in Tinkercad, there are three designing sections. First one is 3D blocks. 3D blocks, I'll show you now. I'll just show you the sample now. 3D blocks is building using 3D shapes like square, rectangle, all the 3D shapes are available. You can use that to build a house, a rocket, or anything which you want to build. It depends on your creativity how we are using it. So once we learn it, I took almost 2 days to explore this, and I started loving it because it induces your creativity, your spatial awareness, your logical sense. Everything works here. So you can there is also the breadboards where you can simulate the circuits instead of taking the original breadboard and doing the electronic circuits. This offers you a simple version where you can sit at home. You need not have all the resistors, conductors, and breadboards. You can do the simulation here and you can try your circuits and you can learn more using this. And also this code blocks is the basic coding. Maybe those who are interested in programming, you may know if loop, for loops, and also the simple programming. Those blocks, this is absolutely suitable for the beginners. Maybe the upper primary can try this. And also math teachers, you can show, instead of drawing the cube and the cone, all those 3D here, you can show in this software. It is, you can rotate the shape and show. I'll just show you the home page. I think you will understand when I show you the sample. So this is the home page. If I scroll down, and one more thing, we need a Google login for this. If a teacher logs in, the teacher can share the login code or invite code to the children. The children don't need their logins, but the teacher have to create their login. And see here, these are the 3D designs which I have tried. There are three sections as I told you. 3D designs. The second one is circuits. The third one is the code blocks. What I have concentrated here is the 3D design. If you see here, so this is a rocket I've made. I'll make it bigger and show you. This is a home which I've made it. I'm going to view in 3D. So if you see when I pull, I can just rotate the home. I think my home is visible now. When I pull using the mouse, I can simply rotate my home. I can view in 3D as if I'm seeing a real home. See, when the door, I can see the hollow space in the door, the window, the trees, the dimensions of the trees, the roof. I can see here the view is showing the top view, the back view, right view, bottom view. Everything is exactly like a real object which I'm holding in hand. And also there is a one more home which I have inserted a human inside the home. I'll show you. The human is clearly visible if you see. There is a ball. If you see through the window, you can see one human standing here, a boy standing inside the home. I'm rotating it. A girl is standing outside, and I've placed the trees, ball, everything. So top view, front view, bottom view, which is a hollow one, like an exact toy home which you have it in your hand. So this is the beauty of Tinkercad. If I come to home, I want to create a design, click on create. So it will have option 3D design circuit or code blocks. I'm going for 3D design. So it will give you a, it's loading. Yeah, this is your workspace. So if you see to your right, you have all the 3D shapes, basic shapes, which you want to do. And you also have the hollow shapes. If I'm taking this cube, I can make it bigger, smaller, expand it, and there are so many features. And if I take this hollow cube here, and if I'm going to put it inside, I can make this hollow go inside, insert it inside my cube, and it can, for that I have to select it. There is an option union group and bundle group. I'm doing union group. It has inserted. So all these can be done. I think you can try it. And this is a really wonderful tool for starting your design, and also for math teachers. You can try this. And yes, this house I've already shown you using Tinkercad. The next tool which we are going to see is Voki. This Voki is a simple user-friendly tool. This basically helps us to create a character. Actually, where we use this Voki during for Unit 2, Grade 2 unit celebration. So during that time, I didn't do anything. I just gave the instructions to the children. I just showed this is the tool, these are the features, and you are going to create a person or an avatar. to represent your topic, and they were happily doing it. This is very user friendly. Even grade 2 or 3 children, lower primary children can work with it. So you can use it for even speaking, homework, avatar, creating avatar, digital storytelling. You can record your voice and create a character and upload your voice, give your voice to that character. So I'll show you how the home will look like. Here, this Voki, this accepts Microsoft login also. I have created an account using Microsoft login. So it's loading. Yes, this is my account. This is the home page. This is the home page. This will look like this, your creator module. So if you see, by default, some background and some image, a character will be there. We can change it if you see boy, girl, or a person, whomever you want, you can change. So even the categories are available. If you need a person or if you need some girl, boy, or animals or cartoon characters, everything is available. Or a cat, dog, beach, an alien, everything is there. So if I'm choosing this character, and next goes to the accessories. You can add in accessories for this character. So you can change the hair. And also, if you see, okay, at last I'll show you. This is the background. You can change the background according to your topic. Background also has so many categories, whether you want it at home or a natural background. So natural background, if I change, the background is going to change. So these are the things, and also the colors. You can change the lip color, eyes, all those makeups can be done for the characters. And also coming to the important part, voice. Now the interesting thing is you can type your text, and that can be converted in, that will be automatically converted into voice, and this character will be talking it. Or if you see here, you have a recording. If you have any microphone connected to your system, you can directly record the voice. And also if you see here an audio, maybe you can use your mobile phone to record an audio and upload that file here, and that audio will be given to this character and it will be talking. These are the three options by which an audio can be inserted to this character, and this is a really user friendly and easy to do thing. You can use it accordingly however you want. Even a homework can be given. It is almost like a chatterpix. We will capture a picture and that picture will be talking. Here they have these ready-made things, and we can save and a link will be created. You cannot download it directly. As I told for Tinkercan and the other one, a link will be created. The link can be played. I'll show you the link. This sample avatar link is created by grade 2 children for their unit celebration. I'll just open it and you can see how it's working. It's taking some time, and also this is AI powered. When I move my mouse, these characters will have the eyeballs rotating. That's see here. I think now the screen is loading. When I move my mouse, the girl will be seeing wherever I'm moving my mouse. The kids were really impressed by this feature also. They were playing a little with this. And now I'll play this. Just see, this is a very short clipping. I'll play it once again. maybe so this one was created by the children. They typed the text for the voice of this girl, and they created this girl for the pollution. So this they made her as the avatar for their topic, and they presented it to their parents during their unit celebration, and they were really happy to see such a presentation and the new tool. So, yes, I think that's it. We have come to the end of this session. This is the feedback for me. Personally, I'm giving it. So, you can give this is a Padlet link. Maybe I'll share you the link in the. I'll stop. Okay. This is the Padlet link that is going to happen. Open like this. I'll share it in the chat box as well. So I want you all to give me 2 stars and 1 wish for this session. What you liked, 2 things, positive things about this session, and also one thing you want me to improve while doing my next session. I'll definitely look into it. So yes, thank you. I'll